Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My name is Nadeem. I am a retired college teacher. Regarding I am very much impressed by your lecture and affluence. This
Alhamdulillah.
Islam preaches frugality and all that. Now I got a guilty conscience that whenever I want to purchase any costly apparel, any shirt, anything like that, suppose I want to have a sumptuous dinner and all that, I am very much, I am very much embarrassed. I think about the people, my brothers who are there in Somalia and other places where they are dying of hunger. So, what should I do in this sector? I have got the guilty conscience. Should I purchase a new shirt, costly shirt? Should I have a sumptuous dinner and all that? Should I avoid all these things? So how can I live my life in this world? This is my question.
Jazakallah khairan, Akhi, for your question. I would suggest, Akhi, to follow the example of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions and ask yourself, what would they do? What would they do? What would the Prophet do? What would the companions do if they had the opportunity, you see, to spend their wealth? And we find that there were those who, they had wealth, but they didn't spend it on themselves. Some of the companions gave all of their wealth away. Umar ibn Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, when he was the Khalif, he sent money to some of his companions. And then he sent an attendant with the money to stay with the companions to see what they did with that wealth. And when the attendant took the bag of gold to the companions, mashallah, he was amazed. He came back and reported to Umar. Umar said, what did my companion do with the money? He said, he gave it away. He gave it all away. And then he said, what did the other companion do? He said, he also gave it all away. He said, those are brothers one of another. MashaAllah. So, Umar ibn Abdul Aziz, rahmatullah alayhi, considered to be the fifth Khalif, the fifth of the Khilafat al-Rashideen. He was a wealthy man before he became the Khalif, and after becoming Khalif, he dispensed with all of the fineries of the good life. So I say, not to become an ascetic to the extent that you deny yourself, but be satisfied with modest living. This is Islam, to be modest in our spending, you see, and in fulfilling our desires. The companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Salaf Salih, the earliest predecessors, the earliest generations, they would sometimes stay away from lawful things for fear that it would take them to the unlawful things. Walhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Wallahu a'lam.